Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas with a few swing ideas for today. This is Monday, the February the 13th. And keep in mind, boy, the market's been really tricky lately, but these are ideas with some nice setups. First of all, let's talk about the one that's on the screen right now, which is Berry, Bery. Loving this pullback here after earnings, after a big push in earnings, pulled back to a key pivot level, bouncing off some moving averages here, and looks like it may do a bar reversal today. One to keep on the radar for sure. Meta, I talked about the on Friday, looking for opportunities when stocks are pulling back to key moving averages. Well, this one did on Friday, a little bit of a gap up today. Bar reversal could be a nice entry in Meta. Slab is one showing some really good relative strength. Okay, good move after earnings and not pulling back that much, just kind of consolidating and going sideways. So let's set a price alert above the 3-day high there and slab for a possible entry there. Another one showing some really good relative strength is Flex. Uh, Ugly day. This is the kind of market we have, guys. So keep that in mind. But if this thing does take it out, it's 3-week high there. You probably want to keep an eye on that one, and that could be setting up for a decent move. All right, guys. That's about it for today. There's some few China stocks out there. Beak is looking good. I'm not going to mark it up. These are definitely ones showing relative strength. Uh, let's see. That's about it. There's a couple of more, but let's finish it there. And you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.